What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be working on my wife's 1973 Impala. So she's been having issues since she had it with the tail lights not working. If you own one of these, you know, or you see them all the time, you'll see a lot of times these two are this one and this one are your brake light. Then you got your reverse light in the middle. But most of the times, half of these lights are out, don't work. And what I realized was when I actually took off the harness, if you look in there, it's all corroded. Some of them are bent up. So what I did was I went ahead and ordered all new ones, and I'm gonna replace them. This is one of the tail lights. As you can see, it looks brand new in there. So I'm going to replace all of the lights, and then I'm going to put these Philips LEDs in as well. So hopefully everything is shining bright. I've never done this before, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully everything works out. My first time wiring anything up was when I wired my radio in my 96 Impala. So we'll see. I got some connectors, some waterproof connectors. So I'm about to cut them. I'm about to cut all the wires, and then I'm gonna start connecting all of the new wires, and then we're gonna plug it in to see how it works. I'm using a heat gun with the connectors that I'm using. So yeah, hopefully this works. We'll see. I'll check you out in a minute. Okay, so I got the first one knocked out. As you can see this is the new one, this is the old one, and they are pretty rough. Look like somebody was trying to pry one out one time and bent it all up. So all I did was I cut the wires from the harness, and then I used connectors to join them, and then I used my heat gun with the heat shrink. They're good to go. They're all connected. So I'm about to knock out this one. So all I did was, this is a reverse light here. As you can see, you can tell the difference. There's only one on this side. Each side has one. And then it only has two cords coming out, a black and a green. So There it goes. Now I'm gonna just use my heat gun to heat up the heat shrink so it can weather protect it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So I finally got everything wired up. I am still gonna tape all of these up. I got all the connections, and then all of them have the heat shrink around them to protect them from water. So this is those three. I didn't put them back in. I wanted to check them first. And here's the other three. So before, this side was the only side that the lights worked. This side didn't. All right, G, hit the brakes and hold them. And as you can see, we got lights on this side. And we got lights on this side. So that was the issue. The issue was the actual connectors. You can let off the brake. Press it one time. All right, thank you. So now I got to feed it back through there. It was pretty hard getting it out, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feed it through. I may end up taking these 6 bolts off to take this bumper off down here to get it in. I don't like sticking my hand places I can't really see. So we'll see. We'll see. You got your foot still on it? There you go. All right. And for anybody want to know, these are the connectors that I got. These are the AC Delcos, and this is the actual brake light. That's the part number. And for the backup light, it's standard, and it's S67. And I ordered all this stuff off of Rock Auto, and thankfully all of the bulbs work. I thought maybe I would need a new flasher, but all of the bulbs work. So now I just got to put everything back up and wrap it up. All right, thanks for watching. If it's your first time, please like, comment, and subscribe. I have a few more things that I have to do to the Impala, so that'll be coming up soon. It's got the valve covers are leaking, so I got some valve cover gaskets, transmission gasket. The power steering pump is leaking bad. It leaked all over the driveway. So I'm gonna replace that. I got the pressure line as well as the other line, the turn line. So I got 2 lines. So I may hook that up this weekend. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching.